Today I will guide you how to log out a Snapchat account. For that you need to open the Snapchat application. Once you are here, tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you get access to this profile page of Snapchat, tap on gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you get access to the settings page, scroll all the way down to the button, and at the bottom you can easily see logout button. Tap on logout. If you want to save login information, you can tap on yes, otherwise tap on no. If you want to confirm that you want to log out, tap on logout button, and this way you have already log out Snapchat account. If you want to remove account, you can tap on remove account and easily remove from this Snapchat accounts list. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.